Peto! Pois sieltä! Yeah, that donkey doesn't like horses too much.
We have too many cameras. Forgot to insert some stuff from La Vega where we were walking with the dogs.
I think you have chocolate on your beard still. Oh, here comes neighborhood gang. Now, what did Wolfie want to say?
Yeah, it seems to be today is also a holiday here, based on the traffic and the fact that it's so peaceful and the hotels are fully booked.
Yep.
Yep.
That's why I made a cake, because it's holiday. No, but at least here seems to be one nice road to walk with doggies. Don't know if this is the only one, but so far looking good. Let's have a look. That's not fun with motorcycle. Ooh, that's steep. Ooh, this is heavy climb. Really spooky steep. Oh, and there's just more. Oh, these people are really crazy how they built their streets. This is unbelievably steep. Oh. Well, here's mango trees. And it just continues. Yeah, here's also a really lovely smell of citrus fruit. So there's many tangerine and orange and lemon trees or lime trees flowering. So really lovely smell here. And also then the temperature is much nicer than in the previous place. So this is just perfectly comfortable.
Perfectly comfortable!
Yeah! Yeah, we were just thinking that this downhill would be so much fun in heavy rain, so you can just mudslide down. Well, it's good exercise. Yeah, Wolfie can't make up his own mind. So here is our hotel, Los Heroes. And there's the Maria and Black Jesus. Now, let's go and see the riverside. Ooh, there goes the beast. Here's plantain. There's plenty of papaya trees, citrus trees. And over that house there's a, what is it, avocado tree. And here's cacao. Yep, it's really nice finca with all sort of fruits and veggies, and still they eat animals. Idiots. Huh? Lyra löysi kepin. Yeah, here's the avocado tree. Very nice. Yeah, my kids know the way already. Yeah, there's plenty of those vultures here. I wonder, do they throw the rest of the carcasses there somewhere? But anyway, there's the river.
And here's double poop.
Ooh, double poop going on. Yeah, I have to go through such gate and water thingy. And there's horses waiting for us. No, mennään lapset. No, hypp! Oi!
Lipsahti.
No, suihkuun pääset. Olpu! Hypp hypp! No, hypp hypp! Ei olpu hyppi. Let's see where mommy sinks. Oi! Ooh, nice wet. Well, at least I have my waterproof V-Stroms on. Here's the river going. Found a stick. A proper stick. Very nice here, and it just continues there still. Some nice cicadas. Very nice here. Very nice. Oh, it's so tempting looking water. Just not sure yet from where it comes. That is it shitty, or could one have a dip there? Ooh, nice water. I just noticed that there's a tomato. Yeah, so that's already neighbor's side, but this river belongs to this our finca, and then all this forest here. Olipa tänne näin! Hyvä! Hyvä! No niin. Lyltsi, sulla on nyt naama täynnä jotain juttuja. Oh, nice jungle we have. Now here it ends. There is hill and street is just there then. Yeah, here's plenty of wild citrus trees. Peto is in heavy hunting mood. Well, at least kids are really enjoying. Mitä se Lyra metsästi? Well, this is really a doggy paradise here. Now we are back. And Lyra has her stick again. Oh, we will play. But this is a really nice place. So kids can play wild and free, enjoy nature, and we can enjoy nature. Yeah. Yeah, where are you there? Yeah, and we also got few taste bites of these fruits what they have. I mean citrus fruits, but they all taste like limes, even the tangerines. But they're okay as a spice. I wouldn't drink it. Missä sun keppi on? Kelpaako sulle tikku? Kelpaako sulle tikku? Joo. No ota se tikku mukaan. Peto! Peto is a real asshole. Joo, mene nyt Peto, se ei oo sun keppis.
Ja, Peto.
Yeah, Lyra is too pussy, she doesn't take care of her own stick and always lets Peto take it. And then she's totally lost. Where is my stick now? Yeah. Yeah, here's really interesting looking cactuses growing in the tree.
Cactus!
Yes, such cactuses grow in the tree. Oh, but that sky looks a bit spooky. Let's make a correction. The plural is cacti, not cactuses. I know it, I'm just lazy sometimes. So look! There is plenty of cacti in the tree. Yes. They're actually all really nice doggies. Real sweethearts. Oh, she's really sweet. Oot sä sulonen olet? Joo. Onko sä käynyt uimassa? Niin. That is stupid. That dog is supposed to be really grumpy. No, so far fine. So obviously Peto is a peacemaker. Oh, that's a cute fellow.
Yes, no?
People are just so stupid. They don't know what is grumpy and what is cute. Old also. Yeah. Yeah. He's a sweet boy. And put into a bit difficult place. Wow, Peto is amazing sometimes. Sometimes he's a real pussy and sometimes he's really brave. And they're peeing same corners. Ai ai. Oot, sulla on niin, oi, hampaakin vähän näkyy, noin. Oi, suokaa.
The thing is this, that when I went to Bogota the other day, I noticed that the clutch has now been severely somehow misbehaving. And I think it's again something unbalanced. So either I did a lousy job when I did it last time, the assembly, and that was in States, and it has now somehow gotten misadjusted, or on this bumpy road it happened again that the clutch disc itself has somehow misadjusted, or the diaphragm spring, something like this, I don't know. The clutch is working fine as such. No, the clutch isn't working fine, but the clutch is working as it's working from the beginning on. So I'm not really happy with the 7 rock clutch what I have there, which is supposed to be oil resistant. But the thing is, to get the Touratech Sinter clutch to here, it will take quite some time, and shipping it from Germany is also expensive. And well, I have a working clutch, so it is not yet that it should be the end of life of the clutch disc or so. For that it has too few kilometers, but it's just not running around. So I will just get the rod, and then these parts have come after 2 weeks. I will look at this. And the other thing I will also look at is the drive shaft. So a little bit studied now from internet what it said there, and quite many people say that 100,000 kilometers or so is the end of the drive shaft, and then it should be changed. Now of course this isn't a cheap thing to do, but it is good to have a decent place where you have electricity nearby, and here I have all those things. So I think I will go and change the drive shaft here, and then hope that also some other mechanical noises and vibrations which have grown over the past will disappear. So it might be that the U-joints are just worn out. So some work to do, but first I have to wait that all the parts are coming. Let's hope the 2 weeks are 2 weeks and not 3 months.